Big Smoke. Take a stand. Bitches looking at me, damn, they ain't nothing but a monster. But I say them nothing to them hoes, they're more than misty eyed. They say I'm just a monster, but now I'm gonna shine. I'm gonna show off all the people that are instigating on me, cause niggas can't live without me, cause people ain't shit without me. Cause people think that the shit, but they don't know I'ma whoop a man's ass. It's like dropping rain, it's falling all around me. So come on, just get like me. You can't make all this pain go away, so I'm just here to stay. Now I'm looking all around me, all the stuff is falling all around me like rain. Now I hear these walls talking to me right to make me believe. Now I'm rapping, trying to make a living as a country boy, trying to make the mother happy. Niggas blowing smoke like blower caps. They don't understand the freedom we have, cause we all fall down like toy soldiers sooner or later. We all gotta take a place in war with ourselves. But for now I say fuck it, cause there ain't nothing to help us. Nothing in the war is taking over inside. Ain't letting no one to know about the anger and shit. You take out on others for what? Just to showing how stupid you'll be for letting war take you over. And now, but you need to quit the shit you on, cause that's all that happens. You need to let people know how you feel. Now I say fuck this world we live in. There is only pain and hatred to those in me. What the fuck? Get your shit together. This is no time to be playing. This is the time to show off all those people who show nothing but hatred. So I say pull your dick from the dirt. You ain't got nothing on me. I'ma do what's best and do what is for me.